Question: what does the computer abbreviation MB used for? Answer: megabyte. Next question: which storage media provides sequential access only? Answer: optical disk. Next question: which is high speed memory which compensate the gap in seeds of process and main memory? Answer: cache memory. Next question: the amount of memory is measured in? Answer: megabytes. Next question: which can hold maximum data? Answer: magnetic tape. Next question: which acts as temporary high speed holding area between the memory and the CPU, thereby improving processing capability? Answer: cache memory. Next question: how many kilobyte make a megabyte? Answer: 1024. Next question: which storage device is mounted on rails? Answer: magnetic tapes. Question: data on a floppy disk was recorded in rings called? Answer: segments. Next question: the difference between memory and storage is the memory is temporary and storage is permanent. Next question: which statement is valid for MB? Answer: 1 MB is equal to 1024 kilobytes. Next question: taped drive provides what access to data? Answer: sequential data. Next question: cache memory acts between? Answer: CPU and RAM. Next question: what is approximately a billion byte? Answer: megabyte. Next question: magnetic tape is not practical for application where data must be quickly recalled because tape is? Answer: a sequential access medium. Next question: the most frequently used instruction of a computer program are likely to be fetched from? Answer: cache memory. Question: when you first turn on a computer, the CPU is preset to execute instructions stored in the? Answer: ROM. Next question: the computer abbreviation KB usually means? Answer: kilobyte. Next question: FDD stands for? Answer: floppy disk drive. Next question: a disk's content that is recorded at the time of manufacture and that cannot be changed or erased by the user? Answer: it is read only. Next question: kilobyte equals to how many bytes? Answer: 1040 bytes. Next question: what is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors? Answer: formatting. Next question: an area of computer that temporarily holds data waiting to be processed is memory. Next question: 1000 bytes represent a? Answer: kilobyte. Question: which is used to measure both computer memory and storage capacity of floppy disk, CD-ROM drives and hybrid drives? Answer: it is used byte. Next question: the capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk is? Answer: 1.44 MB. Next question: permanent instruction that the computer uses when it is turned on and that cannot be changed by other instruction are contained in? Answer: ROM. Next question: how many bits are equal to 1 byte? Answer: 8 bit. Next question: the most common storage device for the personal computer is the? Answer: floppy disk. Next question: which is not a ROM? Answer: EDP-ROM. Next question: instruction and memory address are represented by? Answer: binary codes. Next question: which has the smallest storage capacity? Answer: floppy disk.